Hey y'all, we are making chicken and dumplings. I am ready for fall, so let's get in this kitchen and get to cooking. All right, this is my first time making this. I think it turned out really well. So we are going to start by adding 4 chicken thighs. We are going to let these cook for about half an hour. So I'm adding 4 chicken thighs, and I'm going to use, I think, a small can of chicken broth. I think it's like a 14-ounce size. So I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to add, I think, maybe 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to cover this and keep it on a pretty high heat and just let it boil for half an hour. And before I cover it, I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some parsley. I would say a teaspoon. I'd say a teaspoon of black pepper, and then maybe a tablespoon of the other seasonings. I'm gonna give that a good stir, and then I'm gonna put my lid on again and just let that boil. All right, so our chicken is done. It's smelling good. I'm gonna remove it and put it in a bowl, and I'm gonna take my fork and shred the chicken. I am going to save that stock, so we're gonna keep that as well. Just going to take the skin off and then shred the chicken and then put it back into the bowl. All right, so I'm also going to pour that broth that we used in the pot. I'm going to pour that in the bowl and then add the pot back to the stove and turn it on a medium. Going to cut some vegetables, maybe about 2 celery stalks. I'm going to dice them small but not super fine. Also going to cut some carrots. I'd say about 1.5 cups of carrots, and just kind of small but not minced or anything like that. You still want them to be, bite-sized. I'm also going to cut about 1 cup of white onion as well. All right, so I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter to this pan and gonna add in my vegetables. And on medium heat, I'm going to let them simmer, saute about 3 minutes. And then once they're a little bit soft, I'm going to add in a heaping tablespoon of flour and just stir that in, and it's gonna make a roux for us. So I'm gonna stir that and get it really mixed up really well. All right, so I'm adding back my chicken and that broth. and then going to give it a really good stir. I'm also going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 cup of milk and stir it all together. All right, so I did turn this down to low, and I'm gonna cover it up and just let it simmer while I work on my biscuits slash dumplings. I'm just using Grand's biscuits out the can. I cut these in half, but I wish I would have cut them in fourths. It is, again, my first time making them, so cut your biscuits into 4. I didn't account for them getting bigger once I put them into the pot. So cut them into 4s and then roll them into small size balls. And we're gonna add these to the pot after 15 minutes on low. Right, so I'm adding the dumplings in and I'm gonna let them cook for another 10 minutes on low. Again, I did have to go back in and kind of take a knife and cut them in half, but it worked out. It still came out good. So I'm gonna put them in, cover it back, let it cook on low for 10 minutes. And again, here I'm adding 1 more cup of water. You might can add 2 cups. I think I could have added 2 cups. It was a little thicker than I like, but it was still really tasty. So I'm just gonna cover this and come back. All right, so here it is all finished. I'm gonna add a little more parsley and black pepper, and we're gonna serve this. I'm ready for fall. I don't know why I've been craving this. I haven't had this since I was a kid. My grandma used to make it and it was always so good. It is currently still 95 degrees here in California, but I am ready for fall and pumpkins and sweater and weather and soup and all those good things. But here it is. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I appreciate your support and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.